Hi, this is Charting Man Dan of thechartguys.com, home of technical analysis education. Click the link for a free week trial, no credit card required, and gain access to our multiple live broadcasts daily, community chat room, educational videos, nightly watch lists, and more. Invest in your education and future and join the community today. Hey everyone, checking back in with gold on the daily and weekly time frame, and although we did lose the 100-day moving average support currently at 1217.38, we did get a higher low and a higher high. So we are still looking for gold to see a potential short-term bounce, and when determining whether to play NUGT or dust today, whether to be bullish or bearish the gold miners, we were using that hourly chart that I showed you last video. I said as long as this hourly chart uptrend support held, we would be looking at NUGT. That lost support here this afternoon. That occurred actually at 10 a.m. So that was our bearish signal to enter dust. Had some nice profits to the upside on this drop. We bounced off 1208 and then saw a little bit of recovery. So the higher low pattern is still intact here. But what we were using, and this is just a perfect example of how using different time frames gives you different information. So this was our entry into dust, bearish signal on the hourly. Then we zoom into the 5-minute. Here was our entry to get into NUGT at the end of the day. We saw a tightening consolidation range, tighter and tighter, and then this candlestick right here at 320, bullish break, continuation to the upside, and the highest price that gold saw today. So we had some nice last hour trade in NUGT, some profit made there by some members, and from here we're looking to see if this hourly chart can keep that 12.8 support, 12.08, and if we can turn 12.22 into support, which rejected the price twice. So it's not game over for the bulls by any means. This hourly chart is going to be very key in determining whether to be playing dust or NUGT on the long-term time frame. And it's important to look at the gold weekly chart because we can see that a bullish reversal doji is forming at key support. So if we were to close right here on the week, we still have 2 trading days left to go, but this is a bullish reversal candlestick, which would have me looking for short-term gold upside into the 1230s potentially. So we're going to be watching this candlestick very closely until we close on Friday to see how it shapes up. And combining the 5-minute, the hourly, the daily, and the weekly gives you a really clear picture, lets you be agile in entering and exiting bullish and bearish positions. And that is the way we have been playing these volatile gold miner names. And there's been nice gains for both directions. So that is the breakdown for what we are looking for tomorrow. That end of the day move on the 5-minute chart has us looking for the gold bulls to potentially continue here. And we'll see if they can get over 1216 resistance. We can see 1216 acted as support at the top here 3 times, and now it's currently acting as resistance. So prime example of previous support turning into resistance and vice versa. And we will check back in with gold tomorrow to see how it shapes up. Current play, watching NUGT, but as today showed, that can certainly change in the middle of the day. And that is why being part of the free trial or a member is certainly beneficial as we're covering this live on webcam and live in the chat room constantly. So thanks for watching. See you tomorrow. Thanks for watching. The Chart Guys community has compiled trader tips from dozens of traders over the last year and put together a free ebook you can access by clicking the button and entering your email. Have a wonderful night.